This stylish stainless steel gas cooker with full-width electric grill from Stoves is a great choice if you're looking for a brilliant quality model with fantastic features. Both ovens have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main gas oven has a medium 51-litre capacity, whereas the second oven is a little smaller with a 25-litre capacity. There are 4 gas burners on the hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. This model's Wok Burner is great if you enjoy cooking fresh food fast. The large ring delivers an intense, concentrated, powerful flame to the bottom of your pans for quick and even cooking. So, whether you're deep frying or steaming, the versatile Wok Burner is the perfect choice. The main gas conventional oven provides a traditional way of cooking that gives great results. They use heating elements at the top and bottom of the cavity, and because heat rises, this creates different temperature zones. This means the bottom of the cavity will always be cooler, the middle section will be the temperature you've selected, and the top of the oven will be hotter. So, you'll be able to cook different foods at different temperatures, which will come in handy for those Sunday roasts. If you want brilliant quality and fantastic cooking features, this stylish stainless steel gas cooker with full-width electric grill from Stoves is a great choice.